It's almost spring break.
And it's time to get those swimsuits out. Hi there, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Tina.
And we're here today to show you some of our favorite Amazon swimsuits.
Yes, because spring break is coming up.
Yep.
And you're all going on a cruise, right? I wish she is. She didn't invite me.
Yeah.
All right, so here is our first one, and we both love it.
Yes.
It comes with this little cover-up. Is it the cutest or what?
Covers up well, but kind of sexy with this
Woohoo!
side thing. You know, these were on the same page, but they're slightly different.
Yeah.
So I got one that doesn't have the cups like what she has, and I like this one.
Yeah, I like
cute.
them
It has
both.
the tie, very adjustable.
Yeah,
Very
hers has
adjustable.
ties, mine has straps.
Yeah, and you can take them off to make them crisscrossed or straight.
Or none at all.
You could tie it behind your back, behind your neck, and make it a halter as well.
You could.
This cute, kind of old-fashioned print.
Yeah,
but
what
I
this
really
reminds
love
me
it.
of is the China.
Yes.
That blue and white China.
Yes.
Doesn't it have a name?
Toile.
Oh. Okay.
Well, that's what I call it. I
was thinking toile was like a material or something.
Well, it is. It's this.
Oh.
Whatever.
Whatever.
We don't know what
yeah.
it is, but we like it.
And there's one piece in case you can't tell.
Yeah.
And so you can
Sure.
take this off, and it's very modest.
Yeah, it is.
You
It
know?
covers pretty.
It's good coverage.
It can get slightly cheeky if you pull it up really high, but
You know what? I know cheeky is cheeky, but it actually is more flattering, unfortunately.
it
think.
is. That's what my husband says that too.
I don't know why, but it is. It's more flattering to be cheeky, but
Yeah.
not everybody wants to show off their cheeks.
No,
So
I definitely.
anyway,
Yeah.
I like it. All these suits are around 30. I think this one was a little closer to 40
It was a little more because it includes
the
this.
sarong.
Yeah.
So,
Cute
all right,
though.
cute.
All right, you guys. This
Woo!
one is amazing.
Yes.
We love this swimsuit.
Now we wouldn't have gotten the same exact swimsuit
No.
for you, but the one Cindy wanted would not have been here in time for us to make this video. So we got the same one. Is this
Yeah.
not the cutest?
It is. It has this adjustable
Yeah.
little gather tie thing
Woo-hoo.
here, so you can make it as long or as short as you want.
Yep.
And then
It's a little hard to figure
the
it out.
top is kind of
Confusing.
confusing to get on because you put it on and then it twists in the front and ties in the back.
Yeah. And so this is basically a swimsuit with the skirt.
Oh yeah.
It's,
Yeah.
it's like your mom used to wear, but much cuter.
Yeah.
Like, remember our moms had, well, I don't know about your mom. Your mom's pretty young, but my mom used to have the one piece with the little...
Oh yeah, my mom had that too.
So this is
right.
that cuter.
Yeah, super cute. And I gotta say, Tina, this thing makes the girls look amazing. I don't think you could have bad boobs that this wouldn't help. Because you pull it together and it just
Lifts and separates. Remember the Playtex bra?
I know, but it doesn't separate.
No,
Tina.
it
brings
doesn't.
them together.
Gives you a little cleavage.
Yeah. This one, I
You
love
got
this
better
one.
cleavage than I do.
Well, because there's more of me.
Okay,
this is
anyway, love.
It is
So
super
cute.
Okay, here's this other one that has kind of sexy see-through.
Yeah, little
Part.
polka dots.
Yeah.
This is mesh.
Yeah.
And I think I like it.
Yeah,
It's
really
comfortable.
It is very comfortable.
Yeah.
It's flattering in the chest because it has that crossover effect here.
And it's not showing too much.
Nope, it's not real cheeky or anything.
No,
it's just
pretty
pretty
good.
simple in the back. It's like the crisscross, and you can't adjust this. I mean, you can adjust the straps, but you can't change them.
No, it has to be crisscross. Yeah.
Yeah, this is really cute,
I really like it.
modest,
Yeah.
and sexy at the same time.
Yeah. This is, let's go with the pros first.
Okay, pros.
Ruching, I love.
Yeah.
And it's really sucks you in.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely tummy controlling.
Yeah, and it doesn't completely cover the girls, but It's adjustable, so you can pull it up or down.
Right.
I don't like the back at all. Well, I like the back,
Okay,
but we'll show
yeah.
it together.
Yeah, let's go up here and show the back is a crocheted.
Oh, wait, sure. Okay, completely.
Is a crocheted back, which is really cute, and it kind of just webs over your whole back.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the suntan though?
Oh gosh. Yeah. So this is not a tanning swimsuit at all.
No. It's good.
It's okay.
It's good. We just don't like where it
Definitely
hits.
don't like. I don't know if I just need I don't think I need a bigger size. It's super tight around here, so it gives you a third butt.
Third butt.
See? I don't like that. It's too
Where's
tight.
your second butt?
1, 2, 3. I don't know. Okay, it gives you a double butt.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's cute, and it just depends on what you like. It definitely covers everything well.
Yeah, not cheeky at all.
All right, I really had misgivings about this one because I just never know where the shorts are going to hit in my thighs. And it doesn't hit exactly like what I want, but overall a really cute swimsuit.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, it's high-waisted, covers everything, and still a two-piece. So I like it.
Yeah, and I like, this is one if you play on the beach.
Yeah.
You know, if you like, say you play volleyball or whatever, and you don't want to have to always be pulling down your bathing suit,
Yep.
this is perfect for that.
That's right.
Yeah, it's kind of like booty shorts, like
Yeah.
at the gym.
Yeah.
If you wear booty shorts at the gym or something.
And I don't, but
Well,
on the beach I would
sometimes
wear
I
booty
do.
shorts.
Anyway, yeah, I like it.
Yeah. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have a clasp in the back, so you have to put the top on over your head.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, and it's not even a big deal.
And then a little tie here. Mine's a little kapooey. There.
Comes in
So-
lots of different colors, though.
Yeah. But it's cute. It's
Yeah.
always like a little Hawaiian print,
Yeah,
kind of.
yeah.
So,
It is.
yeah, I would give this one a thumbs up. It's great for grandmas. When you're playing with your grandkids in the sand.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
And your sand won't get into your bathing suit
That's right.
as easily.
So this is the end of our swimsuit review.
We're so sad that it's over because there's nothing
And
we
I
like
bet
more.
you're sad too. Anyway, so if you need a new bathing suit, and you want a one piece or these modest two pieces,
We'll have everything
all the links are down below.
below.
So don't forget to like and subscribe.